The channel caters to the academic needs of those students who have opted for English language and English literature as their compulsory courses of studies at the graduate and postgraduate levels. The channel also provides the educational needs of students in media, economics, computer and medical sciences who have selected English language as a mandatory course at the graduate level. It also offers valuable teaching resources to university lecturers and professors. Utmost attention is paid to design lessons after extensive studies from diverse authentic sources. If you find the videos valuable, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Your engagement is crucial in the manner I conduct research and put forth efforts in preparing the lessons. Thank you for being part of our learning community. Let's achieve academic success together.